Actor Saif Ali Khan has been named brand ambassador by Olympic Gold Quest, an organization that boasts of greats like Prakash Padukone and Geet Sethi and aims at developing Olympic talent in the country. Headlines Today caught up with the actor after the announcement. Take a look.
Bollywood and sports are coming together, and another actor who is joining hands with this entire community is none other than Saif Ali Khan. Saif, you've just joined hands with Olympic Gold Quest. Can you tell us a little bit about the association and how you're planning to take it forward?
Well, I mean, it's a wonderful organization. It's set up by Mr. Geet Sethi and Mr. Prakash Padukone to provide kind of infrastructure and financial support for our athletes and sports stars who otherwise don't have, the infrastructural support that's required. So I promise to donate a certain amount of money myself a year, as well as try and raise as much as we can through fundraisers and various kind of things that we can do in our profession.
You spoke about the government having different priorities. One of the priorities for the Modi government seems to be cleanliness, and you've appreciated the cleanliness drive as well. That's not something we've seen the past government sort of do together, and a lot of stars have also come forward and helped him do that.
Yes, in the sense that, this is the first government I've heard talk about this. Indians, I think, historically have been clean people. We like to keep our homes clean and not really worry about what's happening outside, which is what's changing now.
We're talking about Bollywood and sports connections. A lot of biopics like Bhag Milkha and Mary Kom have worked in the past. Any plans of a biopic on Nawab sir?
Well, it's a lovely story. It's not just a story about adversity and playing international cricket with one eye, which is amazing, but it's also changing times. It'll be an amazing film, but who to get to act?
There's a Mr. Chalu coming up. That's out.
I'm sure it's not called that. I'm sure it's a working title. That's too. I hope it's not called that.
Saif does not approve of this title.
It's too in your face. It might be what the character's like, and probably not actually. He's not Chalu, but Mr. Chalu. The working title on my script says The Scam. It's not going to be called that either. But I don't know where Mr. Chalu came from. Zoya has written it with Rima. It's got complicated characters. Both people are deeply flawed. And kind of no, really, they've got problems.
Phantom is another action movie coming from your side with Katrina doing a lot of daredevil stunts over there.
Quite a lot of underwater stuff, which was a bit worrying this time. I'm really honored that Kabir offered me this film, because after his last mega hit, I think he could have made anything he wanted to. So this is what he wanted to make, and this is who he wanted to cast, and I think that's an incredible compliment.
Thank you so much, Saif. Thank you for talking to us.